G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider out on an absolutely beautiful day today, heading off to Newgie. Have Phil in front on the KTM690 leading the way, and Nigel's behind me on the DR650. Today is a Tuesday, 2nd of November, which is Melbourne Cup Day. It's a public holiday here in Melbourne. So we did have a very nasty storm. Oh, when was that? I think it was a week ago. So you'll see lots of trees down. So there's a good chance we'll get blocked with fallen trees today too. But at the moment I'm just happy to be out riding with other people and not having to worry about some invisible borders. Wow, check that out. Beautiful. Righto, we've come across a nice big mud puddle here. Yeah, I reckon Nigel's on the right line there. Oh, now I'm stuck here. Oh, you bastard. Oh, that does feel slippery. Righto, down we go. Oh, I've got here a bit of a ledge, which I don't like. Oh, let's get back over to the left. Wait a sec, see which way he goes. Oh yeah, do the same. Oh. Should I have gone this side? Probably not. Oh, I've done the exact same thing again. Oh no, looks like we've got a nice big hill in front of us. Bloody hell. Alright. Go have a look. Yeah, at least it's dry. That's what I'm hitting. Oh, I keep hearing a big crunch. I'm hitting the back of my guard. What's that, right up the centre? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I won't fit through those ruts. Yeah, I'll have a go. Oh yeah, we've got a nasty looking hill here, let's see. There we go. Going on here, this guy's backing down. Thank you. Oh. Got to be careful following other people's lines because they've got more ground clearance than me. I can get caught out easily. Oh shit, I hit that wrong. Oh shit, oh. Nearly lost the front. Alright, we're going up again. Oh, am I in the right spot? Yep, I'm good. Alright, what do we got here? All good. Tell me the road's closed. It wasn't the other end. The hell? Oh, it's for logging. Oh, I know, worried about fallen trees blocking our tracks and maybe some road closures, but we got loggers. Yeah, loggers have blocked the road off. You wouldn't expect them to be working on Cup Day, but they are, and we're heading back the other way. Apparently there's another track that'll get us to Newgie, so I'm glad Phil knows where he's going because all these tracks look the same to me. Righto, plan B. Hopefully this doesn't lead us straight back into the loggers. Oh man, check that one out. That one looks like it's been down for a while. Stuck on the other tree there, which is pushed onto another tree. Wow. We stopped off at Newgie for lunch, then headed towards home on some more great tracks. which were littered with fallen trees. Most of them we could go around, over or under until we came across this massive tree. There was no going around it or over it. Even if we did lift the bikes over it, the other side was a mess of branches and bark. So we had no other option but to turn back and find another way, which ended up including Wally track, which was awesome fun. Not overly steep, but a big hill. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.